I can't wait to do my own work. I'm at the airport. Just haven't gone for the issue. Sorry to interrupt, but I need help. This plane is landing. I can't wait to do my own work. And there goes the car. What the heck? What happened to that truck? Hold up a second. Let me open it. What the heck? Why is that truck is not going? Alright, if you want to stop, fine. You're going to get crushed. You're completely bald. Oh, where's the truck? That van? Oh no, it disappeared. At least it's still nice though. Look at that! Look at that railway. Those cars are amazing. I cannot even go there. What should I go? Those cars are annoying me. Giant truck. Oh boy, this is my own work. I ran back to my work. I decided to go there because train is my favorite. Vehicles are my favorite. So I decided to go on a vehicle work. Okay, here comes the train. Would you stand back? Stand back! The train! Yeah! And the train is gone. You can go now, but not just yet. The train is another coming. Another train is coming. Almost coming. It's gonna come soon. Don't worry. You're not going to be late. You're not going to be late for work. I am not. I am also a good worker. And I'm so mean. There's another train coming. Another one. Here it comes. Whoa! Oh no, I must be late. Don't worry, guys, I can open it. Don't worry. You can go now. Just a part of the issue. This ride is such over. I don't care, but I need help. Please help me, Mama, no. Oh my God, this truck, get me in! Oh, and it's gone. I'm gonna go to the airport just in case. If it actually fell. Oh no! Hurry up! I'm going to get fired! No, please! No, please! I'm down! Oh no! Look what you did! No! The train! No! The train! What did I just do? I'm afraid that you're under arrest. That's not fair. Is that what you got? Sorry, guys. It got crashed. The train is crashed. Sorry, guys. Sorry. No, no, no. This is all my fault. Now I'm fired. I'm under arrest. And it's all my fault. This is all my fault. It's all my fault. Now another train is gonna crash. And it's all my fault. You're fired from your work. Oh man. You were causing confusion and delay. Get out of here before I call the cops.